Kamusta?
Asa?
So guys, where are we, Binta?
Banjul.
So guys, do you know where are we? We are here in the capital of the Gambia. And the place is Banjul. So guys, we will walk you around here in Banjul. So Acha, let's go!
Let's go.
Guys, from Westfield to Banjul, sumakay pala kami ng maliit na taxi, yung yellow taxi. $200 is per trip. Welcome to Banjul! Guys, nakikita nyo yan? Ayan pala yung tinatawag nilang Arc 22. Grabe guys, sobrang taas pala niyan, 36 meters. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung sa taas niyan, guys. Guys, yung palang hagdan niya paakyat, spiral. So, dahan-dahan lang din sa pag-akyat, guys, para hindi kayo mahilo. Tsaka medyo nakakapagod din akyatin, guys. Guys, sulit naman pala kapag ka nakaakyat ka dito, halos makikita mo yung buong capital.
So guys, Acha, let's go. There's small museum here. So you can see their painting. Guys, why Arc 22? Also because they overthrew former President Jawara on July 22, 1994. So guys, pala nagbayad kami ng ticket. Ito siya, oh, per head. But sabi, for white people daw, 200. Sabi ko, local na ako dito, hindi naman ako tourist. So 50 na lang pinabayad din sa akin. So, nakatipid tayo ng 100.
So guys, ito na pala yung pinakatuktok. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung view. So guys, that is the capital of the Gambia. It looks like a city, right?
Guys, there's a lift but it's broken. So, really need to take the stairs. Guys, that is the ticket. Oh.
Nag-umpisa na rin pala yung tourist season nila dito, guys. Guys, habang naghihintay kami ng taxi, upo muna kami dito sa stadium nila. Nakakapagod din akyatin yung Arc 22. So guys, papunta na pala tayo sa Alberto Market. So ang bayad pala sa taxi, $12 is. Guys, tingnan nyo, oh, mahaba-haba din yung ukay-ukay nila dito.
So guys, our next stop is Albert Market. So they said this Albert Market, at least the price is fair enough. And you can negotiate as well if you want discount. So we will show you guys. Guys, we are here now at the Royal Albert Market. Guys, I want to buy ref magnet.
Guys, 200 daw kada isa yung ref magnet.
Like this. Guys, you see this one is dried fish. Oh. Also this.
Mario Balotelli.
Okay. So guys, he allowed us to take video.
These are the African set, Gambian sticks. Those are baskets we made by hand. This is sand,
Sand
Gambian
painting.
local house, Mama Africa. Another Mama Africa. That dancing lady. Mama Africa is pounding a couscous.
It's nice.
Sino kayo niya ha? Kaya ka feel it.
Coconut.
So guys, we are about to go. It's just a typical market, right?
Yes.
And the price is fair enough.
Yes, depressed. Some people they used to make it low, some people they used to make it high. It's not the same price. Answer this auntie.
Binta Charo, the best
Auntie.
cook in the
Eh, it's Binta Chara. Me also I'm Binta Chara.
I'm the manager of the market. I miss you.
Yeah, you see people, me also, they used to call me Binta Chara. This one
is
also
my
is Binta Chara.
Binta
No, it's my
Chara and
Toma.
Binta Chara. What is your name?
Maria.
Madira and Binta Chara and Binta
Binta
Chara
Chara.
from Combo to
Double
Banjul.
Nice to meet you,
Jërëjëf
Mama.
waay, auntie.
One way, brother.
Guys, we're supposed to go to there. At what place here? But that place, they say the white people, they normally pay there 200. Now the black people, they pay $50.
Yeah.
Me, I never know that stuff. Billahi. All of us, we are the human beings. Now we are telling people that white people 200, the black people $50.
For Binta, she will only pay $50. Sis.
Yes,
But for me, I need to pay 200.
yes. But
That
maybe
is their rule here in the capital.
maybe they know that the black people they don't have money, the white people have money.
So right now we are walking to the Roman Catholic Church. So that is one of the oldest cathedral here. So we will show you guys.
Guys, amazing. Yung palang church na to, more than 100 years old na.
Guys, sarado siya sa labas. Tingnan namin kung makakapasok kami sa loob. Kung mapapakita ko sa inyo yung loob. So magtatanong kami.
Guys, ang bait ni Kuya. Pinayagan niya kaming pumasok.
So guys, kakain muna pala kami Na-tom goods na kami, nakakapagod din maglakad-lakad I'm saying we will eat first because we are tired walking.
I'm hungry also. We are hungry.
Yeah.
Yes, guys, yes, I'm hungry.
Yes. Guys, we ordered this one and pizza. So we will eat now.
Yeah.
Guys, tapos na pala kaming kumain. So ngayon, papunta na kami sa bridge ng Banjul. We will see kung makakasakay kami ng boat.
We are walking now. So we will take boat.
But this auntie said those people they go already there. But
So
let's
we
go
will
direct
see,
and
guys.
ask. Let's go direct. See.
So this is our last stop. After we will go back home.
Yes.
Si Jaja.
Yes, is tired.
She's tired.
Ano ka borla?
Our boy.
Then auntie madam le boy.
Boy.
Yes. They say the boat trip is 1,005.
Yeah.
10 people is 1,005. Each people. 1,005, yes. Now you see for us, we are two. You cannot take boat trip.
Yeah. So we just take photo here,
Yes.
and video.
On video, yeah.
We are asking them to take us, but they said there's no available boat.
This is
Hmm. So yeah, maybe next time. They said we came a little late. The boat already went. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please continue to support us. Did you enjoy, Binta?
Yes, I enjoy.
I enjoyed it also, guys. It's
You
just
enjoy?
it's starting because we don't have car.
Yes, we don't have car. That is
Yeah.
the problem.
But next week we will take you somewhere again, guys. We will explore Gambia together. So thank you for watching, guys. Always remember, don't forget that you are amazing. Bye-bye!